Why do your knuckles make a sound when you crack them? Most people think it's your bones snapping together, but that's not what's happening. So what actually causes the sound? Inside your joints is a slippery liquid called synovial fluid, and it contains tiny dissolved gases. When you bend or stretch your fingers, pressure inside the joint suddenly changes, forming small gas bubbles. When those bubbles collapse, they release energy, and that's the cracking sound you hear. If you thought it was your bones, subscribe! Almost everyone does.